Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying to swap the internals of this iPod into my broken 6th gen. So, let's see if it'll work. First, I'll start by opening this one up. Wrong side. There we go. Now we're open. Take the battery out and remove the hard drive. So I'll be changing out the hard drive for this 80 gigabyte one too, because they're the exact same thickness. Actually, the 80 gigabyte is thinner than this old 30. So now we can continue disassembling. Now it's out. We'll take it out and see if the new one will fit. There, out. So let's see if this actually fits or not. Seems like it could if these plastic things were not in the way. Actually, it's metal. I want to see if the click wheel from the 6th gen will work on this iPod. I'm not sure if they're compatible or not, so we'll have to figure it out and see. There. Completely off the frame. Maybe we can just get it into this frame. Actually, I don't think so, because this board screws on. Unless we can actually just stick this one on. Let's tear down this iPod the rest of the way. Now this board can come off as well. I'll take some rubbing alcohol and clean off the 5th gen board. I'll take this click wheel off. Yeah, I think it's glued on, so we could use some rubbing alcohol too. And it's off damage-free. At least it appears that it's damage-free. Let's put this click wheel on and see if we get any life. That's not good. So I guess this frame was from the last year these iPods were produced, 2014. So that's neat, I guess. I have a 6-year-old frame. Let's start reassembling now. turns on. And where did I put that front case? Click wheel works. That's good. Oh, there it is. Let's see, how's that look? I don't think the click wheel fits. It better. Yeah, everything's kind of sitting weird right now, but I'll see if I can make it work. Let's unplug it. Yeah, it just loses power. Weird. So my phone battery died, and this is a few days later. I have no good battery for this iPod anymore, and I recently acquired this one, which there'll be a video coming soon on. So I think I'm just gonna reassemble it how it is. It works, but we still need to swap out the batteries and the whole assembly because this one's the broken one. So let's take this. Yeah, this is the good one. We'll take it out. So we can continue by putting that back in. We'll make it a bit easier just by taking it off of this iPod. And we can reassemble now. And there we go. It's reassembled. And I also won't be using the 80 gigabyte drive because I tried for an hour or two, quite a while, to get it working with this iPod, but it just kept telling me to restore in iTunes, and it wouldn't work. I tried many things and had no success. So I'm fine with the 30 gigabytes. This iPod will probably just be staying around the house now, or in a car or something, because it'll need to be plugged in to use. Actually, probably around the house, because I think it'll need FireWire to be plugged in, and my car doesn't have FireWire. Oh, let's plug it in to some fire. Oh, that's not FireWire. That is. And see how it works before we close it all up. I might eventually put a battery in this, but I'll close it up for now. Okay, it's booting slowly. There we go. We're in. See if it'll still play any music. Let's just... I guess I'll play that. Plug in. Yep, it works. So now we can just pop it back together. And it doesn't want to fit. Which I probably should have thought about earlier, because I don't think it will actually fit the way I put this back together. There we go. It's now together. The iPod 5, 6th generation, which still doesn't hold up to the 5.5 generation that this one is. I'll prove it to you. Look at that search functionality. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed constructing the Frankenpod, I guess we can call it.